Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with my cousin.
Hi cousin.
Right here. Cousin Ari.
Ari. Ulit.
What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and we are back for another reaction video! Today I am here with my cousin. With my pinsan. My pinsan. This is Ari or Arian or Angel or whatever you want to call her. Follow her on her socials right here. Yeah. So, yeah. Sorry for not uploading. Yeah. I've been very busy, okay? Bear with me. Anyway, we're gonna react to Beanie. Yes, to all of our Filipino ano ba?
Viewers, audience.
To all of our Filipino friends, audience, viewers.
Kababayan.
Yon.
Kayo.
Basta yon. We're gonna react to Beanie. And our first one is called Salamin Salamin. Mirror Mirror.
Mirror Mirror.
In English, Mirror Mirror. On the wall. Ganon. Basta, ang title niya ay Salamin Salamin. And this was uploaded a month ago. Yung original official music video niya.
New song ata nila.
I think so too.
New release.
Yes, so we're really excited. We know some parts of the song already, but I haven't watched. Have you watched that? No.
No. But I've heard their song.
Yeah, it's all over on TikTok, Instagram, all the social media platforms. So yun, kaya gusto namin siya i-react kasi diba? Ano ba? Tagal din namin, like, it's been a while, you know? Sorry, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh. Sino favorite mo? Who's your favorite sa Beanie?
I love Colette.
Colette?
Sino yan? Si Sheena.
Yeah, Sheena is, I think she's the main dancer.
She's a good dancer.
Correct us, guys, if we're mistaken.
Because I love people who's good at dancing.
Yeah, she's good at dancing, good at singing. Also, she's gonna release a song, so
reaction video din ba doon?
Yes. Anyway.
But yeah, Colette and Sheena.
Yeah, I think my bias is Maloy. Maloy ba?
She's so funny.
Yeah, I like her vibes. I think we have so much in common. Yeah. Yeah, and her voice is, and yung leader nila si Joanna. Yeah, I like. But the rest of them, they're really good.
They're also pretty.
Yes.
Sana all.
But how old are they na ba?
I think
teenagers.
Yeah, my 20s na din.
Mid-20s.
Yeah. So early 20s.
Maybe.
They're still young.
Comment nyo guys. Comment their age. Because we just want to know. We're curious. Anyway, let's get to the video. What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Let's go.
Diba? ABS-CBN. It's kind of chilly, you know? Salamin, salamin. Ang colorful. Ang ganda niya! She's so pretty!
I love their outfits.
That's Maloy. Yeah. I wonder who's their
I follow their stylist.
Stylist. Really? Ang ganda nila. I don't know this part yet. Who's that?
Stacy.
Oh, I also like
maganda din.
Yeah, wait. Is she the yung ano ba yung tawag doon? Yung visual. Yeah. No, kasi she's pretty. And also the red hair girl.
Si Mika.
I like her too.
Kilala ko na sila kasi that's all I see on TikTok. Yeah, I love
Colette. She looks like Nadine. It looks like you.
Huh? No.
A little, yeah, sa yung features. Ayan, alam ko na yan. Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Look at her hair! Her hair clips! Yeah! Diba yung nung mga
bata pa tayo?
Yeah, kinder! Ganyan, guys!
Padamihan ng clips.
Oo, padamihan ng butterfly, ng clips.
I was like, I can't go out without clips.
Hindi makarelate yung mga generation ngayon.
Kayo din ba? Nag-clips din kayo?
Oo, comment nyo. Comment yung anong klaseng mga clips yung meron kayo. Kasi ito, lahat na yan, feeling ko meron ako. Mura lang yan sa palengke. Siyempre. Diba? Ano ba yan? Yeah, it's very affordable. Ang cute!
I love their outfits too.
It's very catchy too. Mika!
Parang lahat naman ng songs nila catchy talaga.
Oo. Dalawa lang natin alam ko. So cute. Ang vibrant nung ano.
Oh my gosh, I love her outfit there kasi nakita yun sa Instagram.
Oh! It's so pretty. Is that Gwen? Gwen, no?
Shout
She's
out.
also Bicolana! Like us! Ooh. Like the hair. Joanna! She also looks like Nadine. On, yung dito lang siguro. Pwede. Hey! Hey! Di ko mataas. Nakakita pa lang. Ang ganda! Ang creative! It's giving K-pop music video.
Y2K vibe.
Oh yeah, yan, Y2K. Ano ba meaning ng Y2K?
Like year 2000s. Yung mga ganyan yung aesthetic, diba? Dati.
Ayun ba yun?
Very colorful. Yung mga clips. Kaya
pala yung mga viral ngayon sa TikTok, yung mga makeup na ganito.
Ganyan, and mga hairstyle, outfits, ganun din. Y2K vibes.
Very nice. Very nice. Ang colorful talaga.
In fairness, nag-upgrade ng music video na sa mga Pinas.
Ginastusan.
Mayaman. May budget.
Eto, no hate sa sa mga producer sa Pinas. Pero dati, nung generation namin, like, music videos doesn't look like this. Diba?
Yeah. So, I'm glad they're like
influenced by
upping their game.
Yeah. Anyway. She's so cute. Parang silang XG. Ay. Ano tayo? So cool. Ang creative. This is their year, I think.
Favorite ko talaga yan. The denim outfits.
Yeah.
I'm just like looking at the outfits.
Diba? Salamin. Oh my God. Ang ganda.
Love it.
Ay, there's more. What's this? Sending it to who?
Manila.
Mail?
Or mail. Manila. Mail, I think mail.
Beanie. Oh, that's it. Okay, satisfied ako sa music video. Because it's not too short, it's not too long. It's just the right amount ng ng music video.
Love it.
Excuse my voice because may sipon. Okay.
Cute.
Ang cute niya. Parang meron silang performance video din eh. Guys, comment down below kung ano yung mga next reaction video that you guys want to see from us or from me. Yeah. Sorry if I've been away for too long, but here I am. I'm back. Also, happy anniversary, you guys. It's been a year. Thank you for staying tuned with me. But yun lang. Don't forget to follow her on her socials. Yes.
Follow me.
Yeah. Mukha lang siyang shy girl, but she's not.
Check out the gram.
Yes.
Facebook.
Yes. And ako din, guys, check out nyo rin yung other YouTube channel ko nga pala, guys. I'm gonna start uploading vlogs there, especially this summer. So, stay tuned. She will be there too. Kung gusto nyo siyang makita, we're planning to do a lot of, yeah. Basta yun. Stay tuned.
Subscribe na lang kayo.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe on my new YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for this channel if you want to see us, and if you want to see more reaction videos. And yeah.
It's your channel, not mine. Don't look at me.
Anyway, bye! See you on our next video. Bye!
Wait, salamin na salamin. Pang outro mo. Ano pa?
Mahiwagan sa islang Pantrop. Yeah, we're outside. If you can't tell. So you're gonna hear all of the ano.
Bye.
Don't you worry about a thing. She don't like to play. Hey, the baddest girl is Angelina.